Okay, we're live, and you're gonna see what my 3D printer can make. Huge question with that. It's supposed to be a little bit messed up. Yep, making sure it's all right. Making sure this thing right here doesn't mess up, cause I had some trouble with this. I had trouble not making it, cause it come if you buy this, and I'll make sure to leave. I won't be able to leave in the description, but if you buy a 3D printer, you gotta make sure everything's right. Make sure the angle's right, because it can easily mess up. So yeah. And if you can guess what this is, you win $1,000. I'm just kidding, bro. No money. Just joke. But can you guess what I'm making right here? If you can guess, scripture, I don't know. But yeah. Does it heat up more? I'm just trying something out because it's my first 3D printer, and I don't know how things are. I just don't. So fairly, it's good. I mean, it has its downfalls, but I like it. The quality. If you buy this exact printer, I would say the quality is a medium, the speed is a medium. So this means this will be your best printer for a beginner. Um, it won't be advanced because if you want advanced, you will have to get some good quality, a good quality 3D printer. And maybe next year you might see me getting another one, depending. It all depends. But this right here is my first, and I'm liking it. I'm loving it. If you have any issues, problems, feel free to ask. It does, and I can probably help, or I can, see what the problem is because I've been having a lot of problems with this. Why? It was the point that the preheat PLA was messing up. The trying to get these to stop on its own. It had a lot of issues on it. So I'm gonna make up some questions because I know some of you don't have any questions, or I don't know. But so the reason I bought this printer is because I thought I could make a whole bunch of stuff for my projects, for my home projects, so I can make at home because I was tired of buying a whole lot of more expensive items. So I thought I could make my own by making a 3D printer. I could make the parts, and that would be more easier. It's pretty high def. It's a little. It's trying at least. I think this is another problem. I forgot to position the thing right. I forgot to position the bed, the hot bed, because now it's trying to do its thing and it can't do its thing without the hotbed. Even though it still works. And I like that. I love it. When you get used to making this, and there might be a few minor problems, after you get used to that, you won't have any more problems. Well, I won't say you have any more, but you will start to understand, you will start to be more calm with these kind of machines because when I'm trying to think of when I grow up, I'm gonna actually become either a NASA, work for NASA and become a mechanical design engineer or just a mechanical engineer making the part, or either making the parts or putting the parts together. For me, I think I would do great with mechanical design because I'm starting to grow into it. And mechanical design can mean like CAD, um, computer aided design, which you can make your own parts. I got this like here. I got the files on a website that I'm pretty sure this will work for SolidWorks. Or if you don't, SolidWorks is a different type of CAD. I forgot. There's a CAD software program where it helps you make things like this, make this work. But yeah, as soon as you do CAD, everything will seem easy. You'll start to know what goes together. If you do mechanical design, you will start to be more like a mechanic. What I'm trying to say is, if you do mechanical design, you will be more better at mechanical engineering. That's what you want to do. But you see more high def in your mechanical design. And look at it, so get a little bit more clear, like since I'm making. Oh, nothing. It's supposed to take hours, but I'm trying to talk through. I'm trying to talk through it so it won't seem too boring. But if you can guess what I'm making, just shoot in the comment section or something. I may tell you what I'm making at the end. I'm not sure. I may tell you at the end what I'm making. I don't know. I have freaking trying to get this to work. It took me almost forever. Well, you're gonna love this. I'm not saying like electrical engineer is bad, even though I'm not trying to say that at all. I'm trying to say that I think a lot of people do better with mechanical design and doing mechanical engineering better, depending if they like it. Depending on if they like it. To me, it's more easier because I can see what I'm making. I can go through it and you can make this. Look at it. But yeah, 3D printers are like the new biggest thing today, or biggest thing in companies. Because without CAD and without 3D printers, you wouldn't have as much as you do. And up here, I know you cannot see it, but it's going to say on the bottom of your screen, which it's going to say printing dot 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 29, or not 29, but it's going to say the percentage of what it is, and it's already on 29%. If you can see it, probably not. Probably not. But still, let's go to see. You can basically make anything as long a big good tip because it doesn't work on certain files. The files it works on GTL, not GTL, it works on STL files. And a good tip on another good tip is when you're searching a file, make sure when you send your download, of the camera. Oops. Okay. Make sure when you're hang on for that. Oh yeah. Make sure when you're doing stuff like this, when you're doing the files, make sure you extract it and you go on the software called Cura. Cura. I'm gonna say it again. Cura. It's an app. It's free. It's trustable, so you can trust it. Then you can go. You go on that. You make sure after you extract it, you put it into Cura. You find the print that's yours, and it's not always going to. I had to use another name for this because it's another name that you can use for this. But yeah, but if you find yours, it'll show. And then you position it on where you want to print that. You save it to the US. I forgot to say it. I forgot to say it. I forgot to say it. But as soon as you put in your SD, it's going to automatically, choose to where you can save it. So if you save it to your SD file, then it's going to automatically be good for this to print. And it's going to be like if you go onto your SD document in the folder, it's going to show that it's a paper, like a folded paper on the left, and that means it's going to be able to print. But yeah. And if you want to know the prices range to about not 300, about 150 through 300. They're not, these right here range about 150 or 130, 130 or 150 through 1 to 300. Others are more expensive. I would suggest getting the box printers, the one that's shaped like a cube, because those are more efficient. Depending on what site you're on, it's more efficient. And as I mean more efficient, I mean the speed is good, the quality is awesome. You don't need to put a lot of parts together, or if you do, because I never had one, if you do, it's basically organized to where it solves the problem by itself. With this is good for beginners. This is good for not children in general. It's good for teenagers to like 13, maybe even younger, because there's a lot of kids in this world that's very young and at the age of like 5, and they know how to set this stuff up. So maybe they're not. If they can do it, let them do it. See, I'm checking to see if this is actually working. Oh, yep, the stuff is coming out. And the quality is not as good as it should be, but the quality is. Yeah, it's a little bit. Yeah, the quality, depending on how you set it up, is going to be not so good or medium. Me, I didn't set it up right, so that's on me. But at first, when I got it, I thought you can connect it with this cord. I don't know what this cord does. You can connect it, but it's not working for me. But I thought when you connected it, you can tell the 3D printer where it can stop and go. That's what I thought. But no. And guess what? We're on 42%. Not that long. It ranges to about a few minutes or so. Let me check what time it is. It's pretty late. So some of you guys are gonna watch this the next day. So if you like my tips, maybe follow them because they're good. But yeah, as soon as you know what you're doing, it starts to become easy. 44%. And also watch out for upcoming 3D print tips too, because I've looked at a lot of videos that show some tips. I don't know. Watch out for some other prints. And if you want to take at the end, if you want to take it off, it should be fairly easy. It doesn't take that long. Yeah, it shouldn't take that long. And the PLA is cost about $20 to $30, and that's just a big. That's actually a pretty good price because you get like a thick roll of it, and it's going to last you a long time. But yeah, I definitely recommend this. It's good. It's awesome. And yeah. And I've seen a tip about the hotbed because it's not really touching the back. You should put tape over it in the back so it can actually touch so it won't go so far. Because you don't want it to break. It's going to be a pain in the butt sometimes. So I suggest, yeah, I should just put a tape in the back just to make sure. And you got the motors. Let's talk about problems. Let's talk about different problems you're going to encounter. The first problem, if you're not doing it right, I would say the first problem you have would be trying to position. If you don't know how to position these things to stop where these are, because I accidentally switched them up. That's why I had a few problems with myself. If you don't position these to where it knows it needs to stop right here, if you can see it, this is the I keep calling it a G switch, but it's an end stop. If you can tell it to stop at the end stop, then it will be programmed to do that, so it won't have to go crazy because this will slam right into that like, and that will slam there, that will go all the way down, and that's what you got to always position it. That's why I had to lift this up. This little thing right here. I had to position this up if you can see it. This will be another in stock, and they're all coordinated by X, Y, and Z. The one that controls to where the 3D printer itself, it's called the X. Hotbed will be the Y, and the rods will be the Z. If you don't know, I'm going to say it again. X, X in stop is right here. Y here, and Z right here. And it's looking good. It's on 55%. I guess I should just leave this and come back to when it's ready. Okay, I am back. Now, yeah, it's printing still. And it's still getting there, still getting there. Yeah, so if you're watching this a little bit too late, you're gonna find out that I already said the tips and stuff, but yeah, you're gonna have some problems, but still, as soon as you get used to it, you're gonna start to like it. You're gonna love it. And the big important thing is to position these so they'll know, so the machine knows where to stop, which is the end stop. So it's right here and right here and all the way in the back. And me, I think I did something wrong because this is not the best quality that it should be in. So best luck to both of us. And for the new viewer that just came in, I just went away with the tips. So if you want to rewatch this video, I'll make sure that that'll be on there. And I just talked about the tips and stuff. So We're at 82%, which is good. I'm trying to see if I can put it up like this. Oh, now it's starting to work better. Maybe because I'm not holding it. Wow. I guess that'd be the main problem. Trying to get this up. Now it's starting to color. I think it is. I'm just gonna hold like this. That's all. Now it's becoming more HD right here. Just gonna hold like this. That's all. Oops. 93%. Yep. We're gonna wait for these last few minutes. Okay, 98. 2 more seconds. It's done, guys. Let me take it apart. Ooh, it's soft. And a little right here. It's starting to be more high def so you can see it. So, okay. Ooh. Can you guess what this is? All right, wait, let's get it. Yep, it's that 8, I believe, if I'm not too incorrect. Ink symbol of life, which is perfect because I wrote this away. See? Now, this live stream is done. Goodbye, guys.